Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So today we'll see how to change YouTube location in your Android smartphone. So open your YouTube application in your Android smartphone and make sure you are logged in. So and in the bottom right corner click on your profile icon. In the top right corner you will see this settings icon. Click on that settings icon and in the settings menu select the general option and scroll down and you will see the location option in the bottom inside the general menu. Now the location is Sweden and click on it and change to the country whichever you want to see data from. So this is how you need to change location on YouTube in Android smartphone. So if you have any other doubt, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys.